Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up? Okay, so now we are in Sanur. We are staying for one night in Swiss Bell Resort Sanur. Sanur again today.
Sanur again.
I know maybe some of you thinking that Sanur is boring, but maybe some of you really love Sanur. Okay, so we stay here because we got a gift from one beautiful family. Hi Alan, thank you so much for your gift that we stay here. It's pretty nice hotel. Thank you so much.
And now we're gonna show you the hotel, how it looks, the property, and later little bit from the life from the Sanur again. Alright, so it's chilling day little bit today. We are in the swimming pool area and Sayang is trying to jump to the pool somewhere here. I will show you around now how it looks the property little bit. So that's how it looks the property of the Swiss Bell Watu Gym Bar in Sanur. This is 4-star hotel in Sanur. Used to be quite famous in the peak times of them, you know, before the current situation. That was quite busy and successful hotel in Sanur, especially for the budget. It's the 4-star hotel. I'm not sure how much it costs right now to stay here, but before was also quite affordable place. Now, for example, cola in this hotel and the pool cost only 12k and the bean tank 30k, which is I think pretty good price, like for the hotel. Any hotel, even 4-star hotel or 5-star hotel, doesn't really matter. That's how it looks, the gardens and the swimming pool. Quite nice place, really pretty decent, especially for Sanur. And this is city hotel, no access to the beach, but it's really nice. Sayang is chilling. Unfortunately, the bar over here is closed. Like most of the hotels have a closed bars in this area, in Bali in general. Right now, I will also show you here. Very nice, the palm, not the that's the banana tree, and people chilling. Few guests here around, but still, as you see, it's quiet in the swimming pool area, have to say. And that's how it looks, the rooms. Pretty cool place, but still pretty quiet indeed. And also very nice fountains over here, some people chilling. That's how it looks briefly, the hotel from outside, and the Sayang alone in the pool. Alright, so if we are already here, this is the gate to the hotel. We're gonna show you a little bit area, what is around, for someone who don't know Sanur area.
Yeah. So I think that nowadays that's the big bus. Actually, they are a group of government that is nowadays they are doing like sports competition, something like that. I don't know.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, we're gonna show you how it looks like. Here is the one restaurant. I used to come in here quite often, long time ago. Now a little bit less somehow, but long time ago, yes. And here is the famous Casablanca. It's open during the weekends, like this one. As you see, even some people are here, which is really not so bad. Yeah, in general, that's how it looks. Check this out, the name of this restaurant, TheMonkeys Sanur. I think somebody asked us to come here. Unfortunately, I think this restaurant it's closed. La Cava.
Lagawa.
What's the name?
Lagawa.
La Cava. Yeah, like this. Also closed, unfortunately. Quite many businesses actually in this area just closed. Here is Popular Express, this shop market, and here is also Bread Basket. Pretty nice place for the morning coffee. It's actually quite busy at morning, but the afternoon is just simply quiet. So that's how it looks in Sanur, actually quiet little bit. And here at the front, that used to be all for diving or something like this, diving company, also closed. I think they are completely gone out of business in Sanur right now. And the track. But at the front is new restaurant, actually, Italian, Forchetta, if I'm saying properly, and they have also gelato. Cafe Smorgas, also somebody asked me about this place, so here we go. Guys, I'm so sorry for the name, but for you, that's how it looks in general. Hold on, where is Sayang? Looking for gelato.
So this is a brand new Italian restaurant in Sanur. It's
Forchetta.
called Forchetta. Actually, right in front of Jalan Pantai Karang and Cafe Smorgas. It's so hot. I really want to buy ice cream.
Okay.
25 ya, yang ini.
Check this out. Pretty cool price, but he's showing something. Anyway, check this out. Many nice flavors. Sayang is trying the flavors. Basically, you can try all of the flavors because before you're gonna start. And check this out. By the way, I show you the restaurant a little bit. How does it look like? Look like this. They have a Vespa. Everywhere Vespas in Bali nowadays. I don't know. Okay, thank you so much, my friend. I already got my gelato. Let's see, Sayang, what she gonna take it. Very good. Just trying. But I can say it tastes a little bit better than famous brand. Not gonna advertise right now. From Sanur anyway. You know what I mean. Pretty good this one. Really nice.
Well, this tastes much better than Massimo. Sorry to say. So good. And the texture of the gelato. So good.
After tasty gelato, we move to the beach side because it's a little bit more alive here. And also we're gonna meet today our viewers in this place. So
Yeah, we've got a special viewers coming from Batam. Batam is just like the island next to Singapore. And then yeah, we are gonna have a dinner with them. So yeah.
So yeah, and meanwhile I'm gonna show you around, little bit stroll around Sanur, always nice. So that's how it looks, the restaurant where we gonna have a meeting, and also that's my place for chilling usually. Make a vlogs already many times here. Anyway, that's how it looks, the life. I will stroll a little bit into the La Playa direction. We will see how's the life. Pretty peaceful life here. Oh, quite busy. Alright, some kids around. Yo, what's up? Don't be shy, all is good. That's the famous place also in Sanur. It's about 4:30, so it's not so busy, but it's also not so quiet. Some new place here, still under construction, but they open here. If you remember, that was the entrance and was the small warung, but now it's like a nice warung. Even they have a coach and coffee and stuff like this, so really not so bad. And here is the low tide. Here is the quite new place called Seagrass also, but usually it's not so busy. Today it's actually quite busy, much more busier than usually. Some jet ski here ready to rent, and of course the famous La Playa. Somebody told me as this is the very famous place for expats who living in Bali for longer time. That's how it looks like. Hello. And yeah, that's how it looks like. And I think gonna hit a little bit to the higher direction. Hello. And also over here they changed now. There was so many sand. It was quite difficult for me every morning to cycle here, and I see now is they changed a little bit, which is pretty cool. Here is some new slide for the kids, but the beach is not so busy today, and it's weekend actually, so on the weekend time you could imagine as Sanur is busy. It used to be. Hello. Thank you, good. How are you? Oh, alright, so I think hiking. Hello. And here we go. We are in the area of Hyatt. I think there will be some sort of cinema or something. Oh no, that's the special event today. Seems like a wedding ceremony actually. Beautiful decorations. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the wedding ceremony or something like this will be, but I'm not sure. Anyway, that's how it looks, the Hyatt area, very peaceful. So like I said already, mentioned one more time, it's weekend time, and you could imagine will be very busy, because usually it is, but somehow not today. I was thinking because on the street is quiet and on the beach will be busy, but I don't know. something is changing all the time. As you know, doing vlogs every single day, passing the same place many times, but always is different situation when it's today. And that's how it looks, the situation on the beach. So peaceful and calm, beautiful sky, so blue, sunny, peaceful, just simply amazing. I don't really understand why people complain about Sanur. I know as people complain about Canggu, but about Sanur? Seriously, like? Look at this cute doggo walking on the beach. By the way, when it's low tide like this in Sanur, you can walk over there till the big waves. This is about 800 meters, maybe 1 kilometer, which is super cool. Also many people fishing. It's really beautiful. So we are chilling in Sanur and there is some live band and they are our guests here.
Alright, so we've got beautiful viewers coming from Batam. Actually, Batam is next to Singapore. So here we are. Hi guys. Thank you for She's just shy, actually.
I will show you a little bit the vibe. It's quite busy in the restaurants right now. And there is some band.
Welcome.
All good, all good. Everybody now, yo, what's up? Right, so we are just arrived with our new friends to check this out. Like a happy family to the Sindu night market, to saving some, you know, like crazy rich Asians. Remember in Singapore going to the street food is the same now. We're gonna have a street food in Sindu night market. Meanwhile, but I'm gonna show you how it looks live here in the Sindu night market. Long time actually we didn't make a vlog here, so it's actually really not so bad opportunity to show you around. And seems like it's little bit more sellers. Or maybe the same, but still not so many people. It's really not so busy, but beautiful street food as always. Satay seller here. Yeah, last time Winnie had something here. I had a mee ayam. We'll see what they wanna have. Satay ayam. I think I will have a mee ayam. Here is some gorengan shop. Here are some people enjoying their food. That's how it looks. For everyone who are familiar with this place, for sure you must miss this place. Yo, what's up, doggo? Doggo chilling. They're gonna look for something. Where is Sayang? Where is Sayang? Oh, here, satay. The guy next to me preparing satay. Check this out. Soy sauce, gelato, ketchup. Here we go. Sini.
Okay, so our dinner is here already. We have a mee ayam, satay, martabak, and satay ayam. Ooh la la. Alright, I think that's all our video, guys, from Sanur, and we met our lovely viewers from Batam. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.